Welcome back to part 2 of our review of some of the iconic tractors produced by the German manufacturer Schlüter, which were present at the first Schlüter Club Freising's 2023 working event in Bavaria. For most of the 1970s, Schlüter's Super range was topped by the Super 2000. This remarkable model was powered by a 9.5-litre straight-8 engine, usually rated at 185 horsepower. As usual, this was combined with a transmission, rear axle and hydraulic lift assembly made by ZF. This 1979 Super 2000 TVL is one of just 124 made to this spec. It's working in reverse drive with a Mengele SH30H 3-row forager. It's believed that 3 of these tractors were sold in the UK, but sadly none remain today. From 1981, the Super 2000 was briefly offered as a special variant with a slightly larger bored 9.9-litre version of the 8-cylinder engine, developing 200 horsepower. In 1973, Schlüter pushed the boundaries with the impressive Profi Trac 3000 TVL. It's a high-spec tractor with 4-wheel steering and a hydraulically tilting cab. Most 3000s offered 280 horsepower from an 11-litre turbocharged MAN engine. Just 14 are believed to have been made, and, as was typical for Schlüter, the spec and components were regularly changed and updated over time. The more powerful Profi Trac 3500 TVL was announced in 1976 with a 320 horsepower 11.4-litre MAN engine. It was the second most powerful Schlüter model ever, and just 4 were made, which were all slightly different. This one was the last in 1980. From 1980, 2 larger super models were also offered. These were more basic with 2-wheel steering and a conventional ZF back-end assembly. The 11.4-litre MAN engine is turbocharged in the Super 3000 to achieve 280 horsepower. The tractor uses a ZF T6636 semi-power shift transmission. It's another low-volume model, with around a dozen or so made by 1985. Schlüter tractors were often demonstrated with Gassner ploughs, including this impressive 10-furrow semi-mounted Gassner Olymp, which was claimed to be the largest reversible plough in the world during the early 1970s. Also in 1980, Schlüter introduced the first Super Trac models. Other than their equal-sized wheels and cab location, they shared a great deal with the special versions of corresponding conventional super models, and the 165 horsepower 1600 is powered by the 7.4-litre 6-cylinder Schlüter engine. This 1983 Super Trac 1600 TVL, equipped with optional reverse drive, is working hard with a Mengele SH30H forage harvester. It's another rare tractor, with just 65 made between 1981 and 1985. The 185 horsepower 1900 was produced in limited numbers from 1987 to 1992. The 240 horsepower 2500 was the largest Super Trac. About a dozen were made with varying specifications. This 1987 tractor is one of two supplied to the West German Army. It's fitted with a 12-litre Mercedes-Benz engine, as opposed to the 11.4-litre MAN. Both tractors were fitted with blades and used for clearing up after military manoeuvres. In Part 3, we'll look at the Euro Trac, the innovative systems tractor which should have secured Schlüter's future during the 1990s.